A lot of research for a cheap mixer. I found this one. It's a 5-speed electric hand mixer, cheap price. So this here is a 300-watt powerful motors, easy to clean up, lightweight. What's in the box? We have here. I like the color on it. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna get it. Let me take everything out. So it come with an instruction to tell you everything. This is the beautiful lightweight. It's kind of lightweight. I did whole lighter one before, but this is definitely light compared to my old one that I had. And you could see right here has the up to 5 speed, and then it comes right here. It comes with this little stand piece, and we have different mixer right here. See that? Look at that. Look amazing. It comes with all this little stuff for the price. It's like, I paid like $21 for this. Okay, you can see this thing is working pretty good so far. We do have a different choice. We do have different speed. My daughter is actually doing it right now. We're making chocolate fudge brownie. Cheap budget hand mixer. Check the price. For price and details, check the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Product Zone. Easy mixing,